And we go now to an update to a story carried in primetime Saturday. The man who was shot during an attack at a plaza in Mandeville, Manchester yesterday has since died. Now, he has been identified as 49-year-old Ricardo Bennett of Marley Drive, Old Harbour, St. Catherine. Investigators say Mr. Bennett died last evening while undergoing surgery. Preliminary reports are that Mr. Bennett was standing on the second floor of the plaza on Manchester Road when he was approached by a man who shot him several times before fleeing. The explosions sent scores of shoppers scurrying for cover. Meanwhile, in the third fatal shooting in the parish within a 9-hour period yesterday, Adrian Dunkley of Heart East District, Mandeville, was killed. It's understood that about 11 o'clock last night, Mr. Dunkley was at an event in the community when he was shot. He was pronounced dead at hospital. Still on the crime scene, a call center worker was shot and killed during a reported early morning robbery on Tom Redcombe Avenue in St. Andrew. He's been identified as 21-year-old Othniel Rowan Thomas of a James Hill, Clarendon address. According to investigators, about 4 this morning, Mr. Thomas was among a group of people who had just left an event at the National Stadium. Shortly afterwards, 2 men on a motorcycle, one armed with a handgun, accosted the group and demanded the handbag of a woman. Mr. Thomas tried to retrieve the handbag and the pillion shot him in his left upper back. The shooter then escaped on the waiting motorcycle. A police unit transported the badly wounded Mr. Thomas to hospital, where he was pronounced dead sometime later.